All right, now we're going to work on one of the hind feet and show you how this is trimmed with the power grinder.
Hind foot shape is determined by movement. So the hind foot actually is more spade shaped and the toe's a little bit pointy compared to the front foot, which is round. So he's got a little bit of excess height all the way around. He's got a nice wide frog, which is good. He weights this outside edge a little more, so we're higher on the inside edge than the outside edge. So we're just going to balance that, take a little more off this hoof height, but we're going to work starting at the heels. A little bit of the bar. His bars are nice and straight. Just a little bit excess. A little bit excess frog. Frog is higher on this side because the hoof wall is higher because he weights this side and wears it more. This grows faster because it's not weighted. When starting grinding with a horse, usually first trim I'll start with the back foot because there's not as much debris flowing. I'm just going to take a little bit more of this sole and bar edge off with the knife just because I don't want to over trim with the grinder. I just want to smooth it off. This is a little bit of white line that's separated a little bit of loose lamina. It's not a big deal. Just going to touch up the edges of the frog. Don't trim much frog. He's got a fairly healthy frog. Just clean up the edges so when he does get debris in there, it'll come out and pop out easier with movement. So I bevel the edges of the frog also. Alright, now we'll go to the top, and take back the excess length from the top. This guy's got pretty decent feet. Huge minor imbalances, but nothing big. Easy, baby. Oh, we got an itch. Miss the forward.
Right.
Pull him forward that way a little bit. Just one step. Okay, one big step. There we go. Hold still.
Oh no, get back. There you go.
Easy girl. There we go. Good boy. We'll bring the foot forward. You can see from here down there's a little bit of flaring straight here and then flaring at the base, so we'll just bring that back a little bit. Take a little bit of extra length off on the inside. And I start my bevel from the top. Smooth off the sharp edge. Now I'm going to go around to the back again and finish the bevel from the bottom. Take a little bit of extra height in the quarters down. That gives you a little bit of concavity right there. That's the difference between the coffin bone and the lateral cartilage. Coffin bone stops about right here. From here back is all soft tissue. All right. There's your foot.
You get, pull this up, will you? Sit. I'll get bigger. Here, let's see. Okay.
There's our hind foot.
Yeah, all right.